Let's bring in criminal defense attorney Brian Claypool. Brian, what are your thoughts on this indictment, and what are the chances Daniel Penny will ultimately get convicted?
Hey, Carly, great to be with you. I'm not surprised by the indictment because that is a lower standard. It just requires reasonable cause that Penny committed a crime. But I've got to tell you, the Manhattan DA has a hard haul ahead. I think it's going to be really difficult for him to secure a conviction in this case for two big reasons. Number one, we live in dangerous times. I mean, I'm here in LA. Recently, we've had a couple of people assaulted, one teenage girl killed by a homeless person. She was getting off a bus. I'm sure you have the same danger out in New York City with homeless people. So I think jurors view homeless people in a different way now. It's a much more dangerous situation. And like Penny's lawyer said, you can't wait till something happens to intervene. I think the second reason why it's going to be really hard to get a conviction is Daniel Penny himself. You heard him speak. He's going to be at the forefront of this defense. He's going to testify. He's going to humanize what happened in that subway. He's very articulate. He's a former Marine veteran, and some of those jurors are going to perceive him as a hero.
There's a bigger picture here, and you alluded to it. What does this say about your just basic human instinct to defend yourself when you are attacked? To me, even though this is a grand jury, and I understand that only the prosecutor puts forward evidence and witnesses in a grand jury, but when you hear they indicted him, that sends a message that if you defend yourself or defend others, Brian, your life could be ruined.
Yeah, Todd, that's a great point, because really what this case is about, it's bigger than just Jordan Neely. This is public safety interacting with mental health. And the question we have to ask ourselves is are we going to intervene when we see a potentially dangerous situation? Todd, how many times have we seen videotapes across the country of kids getting beaten up at schools, people getting assaulted on the streets, and nobody jumps in to intervene to help? And that's the question this jury is going to have to struggle with. Penny jumped in. He didn't wait. I mean, you heard his comments. This Neely's saying, look, I'm going to kill people. I'm ready to die. Throws his coat off. I mean, he's going to argue, I had to jump in. I saw kids in the subway, and I had to save people's lives.
Brian, the toxicology report hasn't been released, at least publicly. Do you think that information was made available to the grand jury?
That's a great question, Carly, and I was actually going to get to that point. I don't think it was made available to the grand jury because usually it takes 30 to 45 days for a normal toxicology report to be processed. He died on May 1. I think the bigger question is what's in the toxicology report, and I think Penny's lawyers are going to argue causation. I'm surprised if they haven't done an independent autopsy. Because if you've heard of that concept called excited delirium, that happens a lot when somebody passes away when they're on drugs. I'm not saying Neely was on drugs, but his behavior was erratic. And if the toxicology report shows a high level of drugs in his system, then Penny's lawyers could potentially argue that there might have been another cause of death, for example, a heart attack. And also, we've got to see what's in there in terms of any ligature marks on Neely's neck, right? Any bruising on his neck, or any bones broken in his larynx. I mean, we've got to find out more facts about that.
Well, he's facing 15 years in prison, and his legal defense fund has raised $2.8 million. A lot of support for Daniel Penny. Brian Claypool, thank you so much for joining us.